Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss that what you have to do once you arrive in France on a student visa from India. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Namaskar, bonjour and welcome back guys. Firstly, thank you so much for watching the videos. Keep watching. So in the last video we have discussed exactly how much money we need to spend on France student visa from India. And in this video we are going to discuss two topics. First, the checklist before you fly to France, and the second one, which is what you need to do and the most important things to do when you come to France. Let's start with the checklist. The first one, keep all the documents with you. Don't leave anything behind. Originals of ID, passport, driving license, birth certificates, your school, college transcripts, the institute letter, admission letter of the France Business School which you have. Keep all the originals and make some photocopies as well. Second one, make sure you have place to stay in France and you have all the documents ready. For example, the contact number, address, if somebody is coming for pickup or you are going by yourself, have all the details with you ready so you don't panic when you arrive in France. Third one, pack your bags according to the semester you are coming. If you're coming in winter, pack your bag according to winter. If you're coming in the January intake or April intake, pack your bags accordingly. And don't overpack your bags because you get almost everything in France, so do not worry about that. Fourth one is carry some cash with you in euros, 300 euros or 400 euros, something like this, so that you can spend until you open your bank account. Now the second one is what you have to do once you arrive in France. The first and the important thing is pay the CVEC, CVEC, that is a contribution, student contribution for the government help and the student accommodation, healthcare, etc., which is for the moment 92 euros, which you need to pay once in a year. I didn't pay it because it started after 2018. The second one is you have to open a bank account. Now, mostly the schools, they help you because the schools have tie-ups with the bank accounts which are nearby to your school, and for this you need to provide your ID proof, mostly passport. Then you need to provide your residential address, the light bill, the contract or the attestation of hébergement if you have, and the ID proof of the owner. And the third one, your college admission letter. Now the third one is to validate your long stay visa, that is long stay student visa in France. And you need to fill up a form which you will be getting from Campus France from India itself, which is called an OFII form, OFII, which is French Office for Immigration and Integration. You need to do this within 3 months of your arrival in France. And for this you need to provide your visa, your ID, your accommodation details and your bank card. That's why you need to apply for your bank card in advance, then you apply for this validation of your visa. And the last one is to register for healthcare, social security. For this you need again your ID, that is your passport and your visa details. You need to provide your accommodation details, again the ID, the contract, the electricity bill, EDF bill of the place where you stay, and you need to provide your birth certificate in French, translated in French. Normally the social security card, it comes within 2 to 3 months, but in my case it came after 10 long months. Once everything is okay, you get a social security card which looks like this, which is called Carte Vitale, and this is used everywhere. Fever, stomach ache, headache, whatever happens, you need to show this, and 70% of the amount is covered under this. So guys, you might have noticed that I just mentioned birth certificate translated in French. I will suggest you to please do it from India. Don't wait for your time to come in France and then do it. It is easier and fast in India. Let me know if you want me to make a specific video on any of the topics which we discussed today. The checklist from India you need to have, or after coming to France what you need to do. So if you want you can just comment below, or you can write at indiansgaliapa.com @gmail.com. एंड येस गाइज, लास्ट टाइम मैं आपके क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स लेकर आई थी सैटरडे को 5 बजे फ्रेंच टाइम में. आई नो लेट हो गया था, इंडिया में 8:30 हो गए थे. सो दिस टाइम लेट्स अपडेट इट. Saturday 5 p.m. India time. Alright, done. So I will be waiting for you guys. You can ask questions the same time, and as usual you can comment or send an email. So that's it guys. Stay tuned for the next video, and thank you for watching the videos. Please like, share, subscribe kariye, notification button dabaiye, and until then I will take a leave. Hasta la vista, ciao, and take care. Bye bye.